In 2012, reggae singer Stevie Face made waves with his hit cover of
Baby, I will tell it like it is.
In the early 2010s, you recorded a cover of Tell It Like It Is. What made you decide to record that song?
Well, Tell It Like It Is my introduction to that song was my grandmother. It's one of her favorite songs, but she never normally know the words, so she just sing what she know and hum the rest. So I grew up hearing that song. And then that song at the time was ideal for where I was in my life and things that I was going through personally. So I went to Computer Paul boot camp over there in Harborview. At the time I was living in Harborview. And I told Paul that, look, I want to do this song. And Paul told me, I remember the Sunday when he called me and said, come.
No, deep down inside, I believe you love me, so forget your foolish pride.
The Sunday morning we went there, Paul made the rhythm effortlessly again. Went into the studio and we sang it down about 4 or 5 times. And then Paul called me back the following Monday and told me to do some corrections with some notes. And after that, Paul told me that this song was going to hit. So when Paul told me that that song was going to hit, I didn't have any doubt at all, and exactly that. We started getting calls from Europe about the song, how it is doing well down the Caribbean, all over, and the song broke.
Life's too short to have sorrows. You're here today, gone tomorrow.
Tell It Like It Is actually opened the door for is a launching pad for the career internationally.
But did you expect it to have taken off the way it did?
As I tell you, I am very optimistic. I am positive. I always believe in everything that I do. So nothing that happened surprised me. When positive things happen for me, I cannot be surprised. I am more surprised at negative things. And then when the negative things surprise me, I use it to strengthen me. Because life is a balance.
So for this week's Why Pree Vox Pop, we asked if you could only choose one of the following foods, what would it be and why? Between oxtail, fried chicken, and ackee and saltfish. Let's hear what the belly has them have to say.
Why Pree?
That's tough, you know, family.
One you have to choose.
That's tough. For the rest of my life?
No, we're not going to give you for the rest of your life. Just say right now. You have 3 options right now, and you have to pick one. For example, they are daybreak right now. 3 things up on the menu, but you can only get one. Which one you have?
Yeah, man, the ackee and saltfish. Can't go wrong with that.
What you love your ackee and saltfish with?
Rice and peas.
That is not an easy question. I don't know. That's such a hard question.
Pick one, just one. Lucky I am, pick one.
The ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish?
You know, say, I love ackee differently, so that got the ackee.
And we love it. We love eating ackee with.
Yo, me eat ackee and saltfish, ackee and chicken back, ackee and dumpling, rice, anything.
Anything.
Ackee and saltfish, fried chicken.
And oxtail.
Oxtail. I love oxtail, yeah.
Why?
I just love it. I don't know. I just love it.
All right. How about you?
I'm going to go with oxtail as well. I don't know. I mean, I love fried chicken and I love oxtail. Ackee is kind of, but I feel like oxtail is the winner.
Oxtail, man.
Why is that?
You know, oxtail is a different flavor, you know, it's an enjoyable meal. With the ackee, you know, it's here and there, you have a different feeling for it at different time. Fried chicken have too much oil, so I don't really mess with that a lot of times.
Well, when you don't see my choice, you know, oxtail all the way. But what would you choose? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree Dis Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, the comments section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we close the curtain on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your boy Naldo Ade, and I'll see you guys next week.